Ever notice your home just can't decide if it wants to be an icebox or a sauna? Before blaming your furnace or AC, you might want to check the real culprit, your thermostat. It's small, but when it's off, your whole comfort system can go haywire. So here's a quick guide to spotting common thermostat troubles and how to fix them. First, no power? If your thermostat screen is blank or frozen, check your breaker or pop in new batteries. Still nothing? Peek behind the faceplate, a loose wire might be the issue. 2. The temperature feels off. When your thermostat says 70 degrees Fahrenheit, but you're sweating, it might just be sitting in the wrong spot, like near a sunny window or a lamp. Give it a quick clean and recalibrate if your model allows it. 3. Your system won't turn on. Double check that your thermostat's actually set to heat or cool, and if you've got a heat pump, make sure that reversing valve's doing its job. Short cycling, that on-off-on madness. If your system keeps turning on and off, try replacing your air filter and make sure your thermostat isn't sitting right by a vent. Buttons or screen not responding. Try a simple reset. If that doesn't do it, it might be a time for a new one. And if you've run through the basics and things still aren't right, don't sweat it. Thermostat problems can sometimes point to a deeper HVAC issue, and that's where we come in. At Affordable Comfort, our licensed techs are just a call away. We'll figure out what's really going on and get your system back to keeping you cozy in no time. Home comfort made easy.